What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? It's your SkinnyBoyRandy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Hope you're staying safe, practicing all the rules, following all the directions, keeping yourself isolated. Not isolated, you know what I mean. Social distancing and all that good stuff. I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy. Hi. Where beginners and experts are always welcome. We love you. Thank you so much for being here. If you have not subscribed already, click the like and subscribe button. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers, okay? Okay! I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for all the comments, all the love you give me. I'll just have to give you a update and a shout out to the Dollar Tree. Look, you guys, you remember the gladiolas I planted? And I planted these in the homemade raised beds in my front yard that I made around. I started out just making one around the light pole. That's all I wanted to do. And then I decided to make another one. I had so many bricks to use that were left behind at my new home. And I just took them and put them to good use. So that's one bed that I made. Gladiolas coming up. Shout out to Dollar Tree. They're all different colors, you guys. Look, they've gotten thicker. Yeah. More coming up. Don't sleep on the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree will hook your garden up. Okay, okay. You ain't got to spend a whole bunch of money. Ain't nobody got no money. Ain't nobody got no money. This one has less in it, but that's okay. I think it's from the shade. But hey, she's doing her thing. I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. And also, a couple weeks ago, I took some of the gladiolas that I found in my grow room and just put them down here in this red mulch. Right here. Isn't this beautiful, the beds? My friend built a great bed. He did a great job on these beds out here in our front yard, you guys. This is the first year. And look, the gladiolas are coming up. And all I did was take my hand, like that, down in this red mulch. And I think Lead Farmer said something about you can just grow some stuff in it. Look at these gladiolas, Dollar Tree. Coming out of the red mulch, you guys. That one look a little sickly. Sorry, babe. And you know they're calling for some crazy weather here in Zone 7, Richmond, VA. Look at the gladiolas came out the ground. And I just planted these a few weeks ago. The other ones took forever, but it is warming up a little bit. But the weather doesn't know what's going on. Now these tulips, they were here when I got here, and look how big these leaves are. I feel like I'm in Florida somewhere. Okay. Ready to see on the island. Hey, man. Yeah. But no tulips came on some. So I'm thinking they've spent their years and it's not going to happen anymore. But yeah, this is some of the front hostas that I put down. I have some elephant ear bulbs planted back there. But let me show you some more Dollar Tree stuff, y'all. This Dollar Tree video. Those boxes that they sell, all of this is that. This is not weed and grass. You get down in there and start looking at plants. Beautiful. I think there's a carrot found its way up here. But these were the wildflower boxes. Look over there. Yep. All of this is wildflower, not weeds. Might have a few weeds in there, here and there. Look, another carrot. They pop up everywhere, you guys. I love you. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. But do not sleep on the Dollar Tree. Look at the marigolds. Marigolds. And you get that box from the Dollar Tree for $1 for one box. Use it. Okay. I love you guys. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff and eat it. Don't eat your flowers unless they're edible. I love you. You're the best.